Today I'm reviewing the Moroccan Argan Oil Conditioner for dry and damaged hair. It's the most powerful heal and repair conditioner. It is gentle, all natural, silky conditioner. It is great for all hair types, including color treated hair and hair that has been weakened, damaged by color or even chemical processing or heat styling. It contains jojoba along with argan oil to strengthen, protect, and provide shine. It's perfect for dry, flaky, or itchy scalp with dandruff. It has natural ingredients and contains no paraffins. It contains natural oils and herbs that pamper your hair while conditioning it. It moisturizes and protects your hair cuticles from damage. It contains 100% pure organic argan oil, which is made of highest quality and purity. It has a fresh citrusy fragrance and has no artificial colors or artificial additives or impurities. I received this product in return for my honest and biased review. However, the opinions are my own. Thank you.